Alright, hello everyone, welcome. Today we're playing Slay The Spire, and yeah, I just want to say quickly, you know, just look at my game real quick. The first save file. This is the only game on my first save file, and I won, so my first time ever playing Slay The Spire 2, and the same thing happened in Slay The Spire 1. So I just want to say that, so I'm kinda insane, I've already played a little bit. I have 10 hours now on the game. And Ironclad is obviously the best character in the game. I feel like the easiest and the best. So yeah, but I'm gonna try the Necro Binder because I want to make him work. So yeah, let's see how it goes. I think I just raised my max HP. It seems kind of decent. Alright, and you always want to go with the path that has the most elites because then you get the most rewards. So but this is kind of trash, low key, because there's two shops back to back. So yeah, that's not very good. You're just gaining nothing on that path. About it. Let's see if we can get anything. I think let's go with that. That seems kind of insane. Not gonna lie. So he gets 50% less damage. Okay, I think I have to go with that. Let's see. Don't work. It's a potion. I hate potions, not gonna lie. Like, I rarely use them. I mean, I don't hate them, but like, I don't really use them like that. Oh, took 10 damage. Wait, I lost my max HP. Okay, well, that's crazy. I think we just block and then defile this guy. We just get all the block, I think. Oh, what's that? What's when it comes to the Osti as well, man? Okay. Well, this is kind of annoying. Oh. I couldn't really do anything. Maybe I should have blocked, I guess. Okay, well, that seems kind of insane. I mean, I think I can use this, I think. Alright. Let's see if I did something there. I should probably let him die a little bit. Yo, I just want to say I genuinely got no value from this card throughout the entire run, and I'm sorry about that. Wait, what did I just play? Zero card. Into my hand. Wait, I can't even see the. Wait, what was the effects? Oh my, I just. Okay. My bad. Right. And I think he dies, so it should be perfect actually. Yes. Oh, Took a little bit more damage than I expected. Alright, he should be dead next turn, I think. Oh, no mind. Gets 10 block. Right. 24 damage. Oh. Alright, there we go. Okay, maybe I should have gone for Doom, maybe. Oh. Like no vulnerable all week. That's kind of annoying. I mean, I think we just go for the elite, Loki. Oh my, okay, the worst one. I always lose to this one, bro. Bro, I have no like multiple targets or like something that hits them all. That's kind of annoying. I kind of need this guy to die a little bit so I can use this. Oh, that's perfect. Oh my, that was perfect actually. Yeah, I think so. Wait, what? Oh, I have it back. Oh, I guess I had two of them. I mean, I think I. Hmm, what do I do here, bro? Bro. Okay, well, it should be dead now. Bro. Alright, there we go, finally. Oh, here we go. A little bit of vulnerable. Vulnerable. Alright, well. That's not too good, I think. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, kill this guy quickly, bro. Oh, it's actually, he's still kind of weak. Not gonna lie. Oh, he's quickly becoming strong. Alright, there we go. What the? What is this? Um, I kind of want him to die. Alright, well, this is kind of bad. Because I got an elite fight right after this one, so that's not very nice. So that's, I mean, do I go for a Doom or it's kind of free? I think it's go defense. Alright, well, 24. Oh, oh, I didn't think about that. I mean, I think I can win this, maybe. Hopefully. Oh yeah, I think I won. Wait, did he just heal? What's um oh, I kinda have to do that. Oh what? Oh, okay, not bad. Um yeah, I don't know. I think I can win, hopefully. Just drink this from the start. I don't think I have anything that combos like that. I think I can have a better 2-in-1. I think. Oh, Alright, that was kind of bad actually. $18. Okay. Should be that, yes. Alright. I think it's oh, I think it's fine now. Wait, debuff me. Well, um alright. Alright, now I think I'm fine. Because I have this, I can just play it for no reason. Okay, now I can get my OSD healthy. Nice and healthy. Hmm. Okay, well, this is kind of bad. Um, what do I do here, bro? I guess we just damage him as much as possible. Oh, wait, Osti's damage stays the same. Oh my god, I didn't know that. So it's only me that's debuffs. Wait, that's kind of strong, actually. Oh, I never realized that. Uh, I think I lived no matter what here. Yeah, and he should be dead now. Alright, there we go. That was kind of free, but that was also Act 1, so of course it should be free. Okay, that seems kind of strong too. All of these are kind of crazy, but I don't have like any combos with this. I mean, let's just hope I get some debuffs, I guess. Oh, wait, that's perfect. Holy, that's perfect pass. Oh, what? With 4 additional. Okay, well, that is a scam. I think this one is the best one of them all. But like, I need an insane turn 1 card in my hand. Then, yeah, alright. Well, I don't know when this is ever gonna be useful. I mean, that's annoying. Ouch. my, did you see that combo? I mean, it wasn't that crazy, but like insane, insane lethal combo. He will, what? Wait, what's 20 damage? I mean, that seems kind of, bro. What? He's just gonna die on his own. Oh, with no cards, oh my cards. Oh my, okay, well, that's annoying. Oh my goodness, I can't believe it. Okay, well, that's not good then. Right? Oh my, mind block, that's pretty good. That's a fat toad, alright. Um, ouch. Oh my, he's pretty strong. I think that's perfect. Oh, yeah, I didn't realize he wasn't attacking. Alright, there we go. That was free. Um, oh my goodness. Wait, it comes in its own card? Wait, that's crazy. That's kind of perfect then. Oh shit. Oh my goodness. I forgot he was doing damage. Alright. I guess. 27. I don't know if I can live this. I just gonna try. What? I thought I lived. Oh my! I can't believe it. Oh my god. Well, that's embarrassing. All right, guys, that's it for this video, and I don't really know what to say. I hope you like my gameplay, and it's kind of a little bit of boring at the end of the video, I know, but yeah, I hope it's still watchable, and maybe I didn't misplay too much. I know this was actually pretty bad run actually, but I might show one with the Ironclad, who is like a lot easier to play, and he's a lot more fun and straightforward rather than this guy who I didn't really play that much, and I didn't even have like I had a real trash deck. And I don't know how I got that far actually. I got past Act 1 with that shitty ass deck, so yeah, that was kind of lucky. But I'll show you some better gameplay next time probably, or like yeah, if I upload Slay the Spire again. But yeah, hope you liked it, and thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. And Cole, I hope you buy Slay the Spire too, because I'm not cracking, or else I'm gonna crack you. I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, see you guys.